Introducing Maarc MTA Regular, a US FDA 510K approved and CDSCO certified mineral trioxide aggregate. Composed of tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, and other biocompatible minerals that ensure no discoloration. Fine grain size with excellent handling, fast setting, and high strength make it ideal as a restorative base. Its high pH provides strong bactericidal action, enhancing clinical outcomes. Indicated for pulp capping, pulpotomy, perforation repair, apexification, root end filling, resorption repair, and all other applications of MTA. Its hydrophilic nature makes it ideal for use in moist canals with excellent sealing ability and no shrinkage for predictable results. Just mix powder with water, apply and condense, quick and sterile delivery. Maarc MTA Regular, the trusted choice for predictable mineral repair in all endodontic and restorative applications.